Today is National Hot Toddy Day, but I bet you don't know where this drink originally came from. According to BritishFoodHistory.com, what we know as the hot toddy comes from 17th century India and was made from the slightly fermented sap of the TAADI palm, which the Brits pronounce toddy. During the British occupation, the English began drinking it watered down. By the early 1800s, the drink evolved into a mixture of alcohol, typically whiskey, sugar, lemon, spices, and was actually served at room temperature. Once the beverage made its way to America, it evolved yet again into the warm beverage we know today. Let's make one. Great for warming up during the winter, or even better for soothing the ailments of a cold, this tasty go-to can use any kind of whiskey, honey or sugar, lemon, and then spice however you like. Of course, adding a bit more whiskey isn't so bad either.